The brackets for our ADA overhead storage must first be properly attached to the panels. Notice the bracket orientation. With the covers off and nuts loosened, hook the overhead on the brackets and tighten the nuts. Once installed, inspect door operation. The door should raise automatically once opened about 3.5 to 4 inches. Adjust the spring if needed. The covers have 2 tabs at the top. Insert the cover at an angle and lightly press it in.